Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. This is the cutest mushroom brush that you will ever see. I honestly don't like mushrooms, but I do sometimes get them for my husband, so I wanted an easy way to clean them that would get it done really fast. This super cute, full circle, fun guy, 2-in-1 mushroom cleaning brush is a must have. I love how cute it looks. It looks great out on the counter, which is awesome. Also, it stands up on these super strong but soft nylon bristles, so it dries really fast. It's very durable, and I have had this for a really long time, and it still looks like brand new. I really like that even on the softest of mushrooms, it doesn't squish them or scratch them or anything like that. It just gently cleans off the dirt and makes it so much easier than just using your hands. If you're a mushroom lover and you need a quick, easy way to clean them off, I highly recommend this brush. It is so easy to use, and it even looks super cute sitting out on your counter. And that's my point of view.